everybody. Today we're going to do some gears. I'm trying to do this worm. Which do we even call it a worm?
Could be a worm, could be a snake.
These are pieces you put together like this. And then you have to put gears like this. And I have to do it in this pattern. See this? This is what you twist.
Okay.
Where is it? Oh, this. You get one, you attach it on, and then you spin. But I don't start building. I just need to get these over here. Only if you have these, you can make this if you want. Okay, so back to the video. Okay.
So what are you going to be doing first then?
The bottom to the top.
Okay.
That's going up. And one here. And then it's going up. One more up. And here. And then just move these aside, put it here. Okay, did the snake. I did it in this exact pattern. Oh, make sure you don't have any of these. Just do this. And now, time for the gears. So we need this one at the bottom.
Do you want to show the bottom? Okay, so you've got to try and line those up with the holes, which can be tricky because it moves.
Okay, so we're still doing it. These are a bit lighter. Oh, make sure you have this. See? Then we need an orange one. Come here, orange.
What will happen if you do that too hard?
It'll break.
Yeah. Good job there, Spares. Right, now have a check of that.
Oh, nope. Move you back. Move you back. Okay, so I'm going to be putting this thing on.
What is it?
The thing that makes it spin. On the orange one.
The handle then.
Yep. And then we need another purple. That is kind of weird. Because it's tiny to big. But let me. Is this there? This thing. And then we just turn this. There we go. Huh, I didn't know it could spin too. Okay, then we need this view. I accidentally did it wrong. I meant it to go down, not across.
Okay, so we've adjusted it, and hopefully the next time you see it, it'll be complete.
Okay, we completed it. We had a little bit of fiddling to do, but we completed it. Do you want to see it working now?
Yeah.
So before we start it, we're going to see which colours there is. So this one's purple, yellow and white. Purple, orange, purple, blue and white. Purple, red, purple and white. Purple, yellow and purple. How many purples are there? Green, orange, purple, blue, black, yellow, red, purple, green, red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, purple, black. Okay, you stop spinning. This is the order it goes in.
Okay, ready, steady, go! Hooray!
The one's spinning!
Woo! What's your favourite spinny one?
It is this one.
Oh, yeah.
I like all of them!
I like this one.
I like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.